In a world full of mysteries, a kid has the biggest question of all. Why?
Daddy, why do we have eyes?
So we can see, my child.
Why?
Because if we don't have eyes, we can't see the ball.
Why?
Because the ball is important for bonding with friends.
Why?
Because basketball is like life. Sometimes you score, sometimes you miss.
Why?
I don't know, because gravity is like your love life. You don't understand it.
Why?
Because Newton said so. I'm not Newton, child. I'm your dad.
Why?
Oh Lord, help me.
At night, Papa can't seem to relax. He's Googling, searching for answers, searching for salvation.
Google, how do you reset a child who keeps asking why? Is this an existential crisis?
Did you mean good luck, Papa?
I can't even trust Google.
Daddy, why aren't eggs square?
And that's the beginning of another episode of The Never-Ending Why.
Next week, I'm buying beer or earplugs. Depends on the budget.